One weekend we went to Wales and our first thing was forging.
We first started with a half-inch piece of steel, and we heated it up and hammered it down.
First off, we made a point, then curled it into a special handle.
When the metal was hot, it's super easy to move and a lot of fun.
If you look closely, you can see the handle. Can you guess what we're making?
This is the front end. It has some pokers. You know what it is now?
Here's the final result, and if you haven't guessed it yet, it's a marshmallow toaster.
While we were there, we also went hiking in the woods.
But first, we had to check into our castle-like hotel.
Before we got to Wales, it rained, and the paths were all super muddy.
It was also quite cold and misting.
Once we came out of the forest, we got to this field with a bunch of sheep in it. There was also an abandoned castle house thing.
Thanks for watching our trip to Wales.